This is my video number Z1. In this video, I talk on an medically important topic, brain health. This is the topic, brain health. Our brain is a very complex system and very important system which governs the entire life, physical and mental, psychological, emotional. Things are controlled, governed by our brain. This is the topic, brain health. Health of the human brain depends on fluid flow dynamics that governs the lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system in an organ system, a part of immune system and complementary to the circulatory system. It consists of a network of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, lymphatic tissue and lymph. Lymph is a clear fluid carried by the lymphatic vessels back to the heart for recirculation. Human circulatory system processes nearly 20 liters of blood per day through capillary filtration, which removes plasma from the blood. Roughly 17 liters of the filtered blood is reabsorbed directly into the blood vessels, while the remaining 3 liters are left in the interstitial fluid. Main function of the lymphatic system is to provide an accessory return route to the blood for the surplus 3 liters. The lymph contains waste products and cellular debris together with the bacteria and proteins. The cells of the lymph are mostly lymphocytes. The lymphatic system was first described by Wallace Rudbeck and Thomas Bartholin independently in 17th century. The lymphatic drainage in brain will cleanse the waste products like hormonal waste and metabolic waste from the meningeal layers in brain. The rate of the lymphatic drainage process in brain will determine the function of the brain, that is, the neuronal function in the brain. And this will govern the rate of aging process in humans because the aging process is governed by brain health and gut health in humans because it's the brain health and gut health that will determine the heart health and heart of the lungs and kidneys. This is how the ultimate health of the human beings depends on the function of vital organs like kidneys, heart, lungs, and of course brain. So, in turn, the kidneys, lungs, heart function and the function of these vital organs depends on the function of the brain because it is the nervous system, neuronal system in the brain that controls the function of the vital organs such as kidney, lungs and heart. That's why it is finally the brain that controls the life. That is, the brain or the neuronal system of the brain will control and govern the functioning of the vital organs in the body, that is life itself. But the problem is during the life process, metabolic processes are occurring in the body, in all the vital organs, in all the tissues of the body, and also the brain, neuronal system also. When metabolic processes are occurring, lot of metabolic waste is also generated during the biochemical reactions. So that's how that metabolic waste is formed, is accumulated in the cellular systems, and it should be removed time to time. It should be drained out time to time. If this metabolic waste remains in the cellular system, then it becomes a hurdle for the smooth metabolic process, and it will interfere with the metabolic process. That is the reason why the body, the neuronal system will be very active in draining out this metabolic waste time to time. So in the brain also, because it is the master commander of the entire system, the system of working of the vital organs is controlled by the brain. So there should not be metabolic waste in the brain, that is in the neuronal system outside, in the interneuronal system also there should not be metabolic waste accumulation. If that is there, the brain function, neural function will decline, will be reduced, affecting indirectly the vital organs and their function. So it's very important medically to see that the metabolic waste in the interstitial spaces of the neuronal system should be drained out immediately, time to time, to make the brain function smoothly, in turn affecting, governing the whole system, that is the function of the vital organs is governed properly by the brain neuronal system. So therefore the lymphatic drainage plays a vital role in draining out the waste in the brain system, neuronal system, in draining out, cleansing of the metabolic waste from the brain is very important. So therefore this is very important as far as the brain is concerned and the health of the brain is concerned. So we should always have yoga, regular yoga, pranayama, and also good nutrition, good fresh air, good water also, clean water, pure water every day to make this body function properly. So to see that brain functions properly, brain health is fine, kept fine, always up to date, just by making very regular exercise, doing a regular exercise. Pranayama also very important. Yoga and exercise, physical exercise is very important. Taking good nutrition is very important, and also important thing is should always be stress free, be happy, and spend your life with a happy note. It will keep your brain very healthy, and in turn you can keep your body very healthy. So because it is the brain health which will determine the health of your system, the whole body. So dear viewers, if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.